called Because the Animal Has Always Been Human to Me, or maybe the human has always been animal. Freshman year, my high school's Olympic week has a hip-hop day. The mostly white student body jokes about dressing like hood rats. Ask the first black student they can find for an extra basketball jersey, or do-rag. And in season 1 of Friday Night Lights, Smash Williams is called a junkyard dog by one of his coaches. Only an animal could be as ferocious as he is on the field, and it's 1960, scratch, 1970, scratch, 1980, scratch, 1987, scratch, 1988, scratch, 2006, scratch, 2009, scratch, 2010, scratch, 2011, scratch, 2013, scratch, 2014, scratch, 20 dash dash, and a banana is thrown at a black soccer player in England, scratch, Scotland, scratch, Spain, scratch, France, scratch, Turkey, scratch, Mexico, scratch, Russia, scratch, Italy, scratch, Germany, scratch, insert name of country here, and in 2014 I'm in Spain and a friend's bag is stolen while we aren't looking. When we ask someone nearby if he saw anything, he says the guy was a moro, como tú, he points. His finger a leash choking the Spanish from my throat, and in 2016, a student of mine writes a racist paper. Details how black people have to resist their primal urge to use vernacular in order to advance as a people, and every morning, I greet the animal in the mirror. Its eyes lock on me, fixated, hunting, clawing out of the glass. It growls at me, calls me every name I've never been called. Says, you monkey, you dog, you hood rat, you sloth. Says, you nigger, don't you know I've always been here, on the surface, your precious little mouthpiece. Thank you.